This is about doing A/B testing. We've heard this feedback from a lot of people where they say that, what is the specific kind of a form that we should create? Where should we place it? Because we give out a lot of options in our different levels of SlideShare usage. Now, the answer to the question is that there is no correct way of doing it, or there is no best way of doing it. Your content, every piece of content is different. It is designed using different ways. It has different calls in action. And we suggest that you should just do some little bit of A/B testing yourself to figure out how that content can be used for A/B testing. So we give also by default the lead generation form shows up at the end of the presentation. But you also have the option of moving it after the 10th slide, so moving it further. And what often happens is that if you move it to the 10th slide, sometimes you start getting leads of lower quality. So essentially there is a trade-off. The trade-off is between how aggressive you want to be in terms of collecting leads and the quality of the leads that you can collect. Okay, it also depends on the nature of the content. So it is possible that content which is far more generic. So let's say your content is about generic social media, and there is so much of social media related content on the web and on SlideShare. So it is possible that that kind of content will attract lots of leads, but a higher percentage of those leads would actually be useful to you because that content is generically useful to everyone. So everybody who is viewing that content is not necessarily a likely customer for your service. So there are these smaller nuances that you will figure out with a little bit of trial and error. And this is, I would say, our experience shows that this is just like Google AdWords and AdSense. That you need to do some testing, you need to figure out what is working for you, and within a few weeks you will realize what are the settings that are working best for you. So we would strongly recommend some A/B testing that you could do with the platform.